Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Retired Brigadier General Virgilio Garcia. Judge Advocate General po ang aking serbisyo nung ako'y nasa serbisyo. Kami po ay pawang miyembro ng United People's Initiative at kami po ay nagpunta dito sa Supreme Court upang makiusap, upang makisamo na yung mga nakabinbin na mga kaso ay kung maaari ay resolbahin nila sa lalong madaling panahon. Ang aming pong sulat, babasahin ko verbatim para malaman ninyo. Na-receive na po ito. Naipa-receive na po namin kanina, mga alas 11 ng tanghali ng umaga, at babasahin ko po sa inyo. The honor dated February 23, 2026 to the Honorable Chief Justice and Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Subject: respectful appeal for resolution of pending national cases. Honorable Justices of the Supreme Court, we respectfully write as concerned Filipino citizens who sincerely care about the welfare of our republic and the stability of our democratic institutions. At present, there are several pending cases before the Supreme Court that carry deep and far-reaching implications for our country. Matters involving national budget, the electoral system, constitutional processes, and other significant national concerns. Among these cases are: number 1, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, Ronald De La Rosa versus Honorable Lucas Bersamin. Case number GR number 278747. Isidro Tom Ungap versus House of Representatives. General Appropriations Act of 2025. GR number 277975. Veronica Duterte versus Nicolas Torre. Ito po yung tungkol sa kidnapping ni Presidente Duterte. GR number 278768. Sara Duterte versus House of Representatives. Ito po yung alleged sham impeachment complaint. GR number 278353. Attorney Israelito Torion versus Comelec and M. Miro. GR number 279245, and General Eliseo Rio versus Comelec and Smartmatic, GR number 263838. We fully recognize the weight of your responsibility and the need to carefully deliberate on each matter in accordance with the Constitution and existing laws. Nevertheless, we respectfully appeal for a prompt, clear, and just resolution of these cases. The trust of the people in our institutions rests upon the transparency, accountability, and timely issuance of decisions. This is not an attempt to dictate upon the court, but rather a sincere appeal from citizens who place their hope in the independence, integrity, and stability of the judiciary. It is the prayer and aspiration of many Filipinos that justice prevail and that the Constitution remain the firm foundation of our nation. Thank you for your continued service to the Filipino people. Respectfully, Attorney Melchor Magdamo, UPI Legal Counsel. Maraming salamat po.
Sir, itinaon nyo talaga sa yung kumbaga first day ng pre-trial hearing sa Dahil?
Yes po. Marami po kaming itinaon na mga activities sa mga important dates na magaganap. March 11, meron din po kami.
March 11. Ano po yun?
11. Caravan.
Caravan, okay. Pero ano hong main, kumbaga appeal nyo sa Supreme Court? Ang gusto nyo ba pabalikin siya dito?
I-resolve yung mga pending cases na nakabinbin. And we are sure kasi when they resolve these cases, maaaring maipabalik natin si dating Presidente Rodrigo Duterte dahil maliwanag naman po talagang merong kidnapping, maliwanag naman po talagang hindi dumaan sa ating legal system yung kanilang pagkidnap, pagbaba ng eroplano, nilipat nila ng eroplano, nilipat na nila sa labas. Pagkatapos, ang masama nito, iniwanan nila sa ibang bansa, walang aid, walang tulong galing sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Inabandon na nila yung Pilipino sa ibang bansa. Nag-iisa siya doon. Nakakagalit po yun.
Bayan, magising tayo!
Laban si Duterte!
Meron pa po kayong tanong?
For now, yun lang po. May tanong pa po. Okay na po.
Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagsubaybay sa amin. Maraming salamat po. We expect for a fair exposure din po sa ating mga kababayan. Ano po? Gusto lang po namin ng patas-patas na paglalahad ng katotohanan sa ating mga kababayan.